Hello guys, welcome back to Fix It Danny. In this video, we'll guide you through how to fix Windows 11 or Windows 10 not detecting Bluetooth headphones or earphones. This can be really frustrating because you're unable to connect them, get sound through them, and use them properly. If you find this video helpful, then please consider subscribing to Fix It Danny and liking the video. We're going to walk you through several different fixes, so make sure you watch this full guide and try each method one by one. To get started, head down to the bottom and press the Windows Start button. At the top, press Settings. If you can't see it there, use the search bar at the top to search for it. Now go to the left side and click on Bluetooth and Devices. First of all, make sure the Bluetooth switch is turned on. Then try turning it off for around 5 to 10 seconds, and after that, turn it back on. Next, click on Add Device and check if your headphones or earphones now appear so you can connect them. If they still don't appear, but they were previously connected to your PC, then I recommend removing them first. For example, if your Bluetooth headphones were already listed here, you can click View More Devices to see all connected devices. Then scroll down until you find your headphones or earphones. Let's say it was AirPods or any other Bluetooth headset. Go to the right side, click the three dots, and press Remove Device. Sometimes the device does not reconnect properly, so removing it and setting up the pairing process again can solve the issue. Go ahead and check if that fixes the problem. If you still find that your Bluetooth headphones or earphones are not being detected, the next thing you want to do is leave the Bluetooth settings. Then go down to the bottom, press Search, and open Device Manager. Inside Device Manager, find Bluetooth and press the arrow on the left to expand it. Now locate your Bluetooth adapter. It may have a different name depending on your computer, but you want to identify the main Bluetooth adapter from the list. First, make sure it is enabled. Right-click on it. If the option says Disable Device, that means it is already enabled. But if it says Enable Device, click that option and then check if your Bluetooth headphones can now connect. If it still doesn't work, try updating the driver. Right-click on the Bluetooth adapter again and click Update Driver. Then choose the option to search automatically for drivers and see if an update is available. If Windows finds one, install it and then test your Bluetooth headphones again. If you're still having the same issue, right-click on the Bluetooth adapter once more and press Uninstall Device. Then select Attempt to remove the driver for this device if that option appears, and click Uninstall. Wait for the process to complete. Once it has been removed from the list, press the Windows button, click the Power button, and restart your computer. After the restart, Windows should automatically reinstall the Bluetooth device. Then head back to your Bluetooth settings and check if your headphones or earphones can now be detected. If they still cannot be detected, then press Search at the bottom of your computer and type Services. Open the Services app. Now scroll down until you find Bluetooth Support Service. Double-click on it. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic and make sure the service is currently running. If it is not running, click Start. Then click Apply and press OK. Now go back to your Bluetooth settings. Click Add Device again, make sure your headphones or earphones are in pairing mode, and hopefully this time they will be detected and you'll be able to connect to them successfully. If you found this video useful and want to see more helpful guides like this, then please consider subscribing to Fix It Danny and liking the video. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.